Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone. Today we bring you another exciting 3-hour actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. Let's start with an update on Tech Mahindra, wherein our fundamental research desk has maintained a buy rating. Tech Mahindra delivered a mixed performance for Q4 with missed in revenue growth estimates while operating margin were above expectation. Also, cash conversion and dividend payout ratio remained impressive. Net new deals wins TCV was strong at $1.04 billion, which was significantly higher than earlier quarters. Management expect deals wins momentum would continue in Q1. Management guided double-digit revenue growth in FY22, supported by double-digit growth in enterprise business and strong recovery in communication business. It expects EBIT margin likely to remain above 15%. We expect Tech Mahindra would report USD revenue and earnings CAGR of 10.2% and 16.5% respectively over FY21 to FY23, led by strong growth in enterprise business and scope for margin improvement. Valuation at 14 times FY23 earnings are inexpensive. We retain our buy recommendation with an unchanged price target of Rs 1150. Second update is on HDFC Life Q4 numbers. Analysts found the Q4 results were decent for HDFC Life given the overall pandemic scenario, wherein the operating metrics came in healthy, but the operational performance was mixed. The Q4 saw healthy traction in the net premium income, which was up by 23% YOY, and reasonable annualized premium equivalent growth of 13% for FY21. Analysts find healthy operating metrics with persistency ratio having improved for all the cohorts except 13 months on sequential basis, and on YOY basis improved in all the cohorts. Strong growth in AUM, which was up by 37% YOY, and EV, which was up by 29% YOY. These were the key bright spots, along with new business margin improving to 26.1%, which is up by 20 bps for FY21. The company has a balanced product mix and continued market share gains trajectory with strong capitalization and underwriting, which makes HDFC Life a strong business franchise. Sharekhan Research has a buy rating on HDFC Life with unchanged price target of Rs 850. Hope all of you are safe and healthy. Thank you for listening in as always. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchange and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.